Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll see one of good review tab in MS Excel. In previous video we have seen home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas and data view. So if you have not seen till, if you not watch the video, please you can watch in description. I given the link, so it will be very helpful, and Excel is very important for understanding. Okay, first we'll start review tab. First we'll start review tab. In review tab, first option is spelling. So if you have written any spelling wrong, or if you want to be doing cross checking, you have to be take spelling. See, suppose I'll be take here, I'll write one word. Okay, this is explore sentence is okay, word is okay, but I will be make one mismatch or wrong. See, explore, when I click wrong, I'll be click on here and go to be spelling. Okay, when I click here spelling, so what happened here, related spelling words will be correct. You can be go explore, expire, explode, explorer, exposures, whichever is okay, you can utilize that one. Okay, you can be click, okay, I want to be take explore, then I have to be click here change option. When I change, you can see here it is already has changed. Okay, so related spelling, if you have any problem, so sometime what happened, we don't know the spelling of exactly, so that time we can do the cross checking, you can do it, that is the exploring. And research, so if you want to be get any particular word knowledge, just you click research. Okay, then you type here I any knowledge or any content, I'll write here hardware. Okay, so when I type here hardware, so when I click here search, so I will get the hardware dictionary. Okay, about computer equipments and peripherals, that is called hardware. So like this, which you are not able to understand, you can go and you can be research here. Okay, then you will get the knowledge. And one more here come like a dictionary will come in. Okay, thesaurus, yes, when you click here, so if you want to be related explore, when you type explore, so related all sub options will be available. You can see here explore means travel, discover, sightsee. Okay, reconnector, so many are there. So when you click a particular word, you can be used like a dictionary. Okay, if you are whichever meanings you want, alternate meaning you want, you can be take this one. And translate, if you want to be translate your language, you can be translate. Suppose I have written one English, somewhat I'll write here. Okay, everything is fine, every, everybody fine. Okay, everyone is fine, or anything you cannot, anyone is, everyone is fine. Okay, I have written this one, I want to be convert as in other language. Okay, then you have to click here translate, just to click here translate. So you want to be, you can see here, translate a word or sentence from which language, already it's English USA, to here written where you want to be change. Okay, just you click here this dialog box. Okay, so you can get it where you want to be translated. Okay, it's because you should have compulsory internet connection, so it's taking some more time. So compulsory you should have a internet. Okay, this is a translate option. Okay, when you click here, it will be, you will get it the translate option. So taking some more time. Okay, we'll see back, I'll come back again, I'll be type, I'll go again translate, then we are fine, I'll write here all the best, all are fine, I'll write same, all are fine. So suppose I'll select here, then I'll go again translate. So here is selected, and next option is USA, and next option is, you can see here, so only national languages will be there. Just here I'll select Hindi. Okay, when I select Hindi, so automatically it will be translating. You can see here sub theek hai. So if you want the insert that one, just you click here, then you can be inside. You can see instead of English it has been converted as a Hindi. So like this, if you want to be translate, you can translate the language. Okay, any language, only for the national language will be available, not like your regional languages. Okay, so then next comes here comment. Okay, if you have one file is that you want to be write the all comments. Okay, suppose if image is there, I will be select here as a new comment. Then I will write here comment as good handwriting. Okay, so and we can write any contents. Next you want to write one more here. Okay, like you can write here again new comment. Okay, okay, this is not fine, anything content related you can be write. So you can see here parts of computer. Okay, I'll write one more content here for new comment is parts of computer peripheral. I'll write computer peripheral. Okay, this is the comments is what in particular one word related that information you can be keep. So when you do comment, if you want to click here, this is the delete comment. If you want to delete the comment, if you don't like, if you want to repeat that one, there you have to be delete the comment. This is next comment. When you click here next comment, where we have written next comment, it will go there. You can see here this is next comment, again next comment, and next comment. Previous means same, it's coming back. Okay, these are the comments. And it come one more come here, show and hide comment. If you want to be hide comments or show, you can be click here. Show means all will be show comments. Okay, show this only I want to show or hide. You can be click here show or hide. Okay, then you can see here show all comment. So wherever I have written comment, all will be show, otherwise it will be normal. And show ink, if you want to be used, that is the you can use. This is for the comments. And next comes is the protect sheet. So this is our sheet is there. Okay, we want to be protect it. Okay, then click here protect. Okay, then you keep your password. I'll put normal password. And you have to be allow all users of this worksheet too. You should be select. Okay, when you which is not selected, then they can be edited. Okay, then you click OK. Okay, again reuse the password. Okay, that has fun. Okay, I want to be type something here, it's coming the instruction, it's coming the warning, because already we have given worksheet as a log. How we are using encryption in MS Word, here we are using the password. So if you want to be reuse, again go and you have to be unprotect sheet 1 2 3. I give password. Now see easily I am writing no restriction. So this is the part of to be protect our sheet. And here you can see here we have many sheets are there. Suppose I want to select delete here, just sheet down, sheet 8 I want to be delete, I can delete after giving protection also. So what I'll to do, I want to be full protection of that one, that is called protect workbook. When you click workbook, protect means all will be protect workbook for Windows Office structure. I'll type here 1 2 3. So click here. Okay, again same password 1 2 3. Click here. See now I cannot see. When I right click here, delete option is not available, rename is not available. Okay, this is for the updating, this is for the protection of full workbook. If you want to be protect and click OK, then you will be re password it, remove the password. Okay, this is for the protection of workbook. Protection of sheet protect is only for individual sheet it will protect. And when you click for the workbook, protect workbook means all whichever you open, whichever user tabs will be protect. And it's coming in share workbook. Okay, when you want to be share your workbook with, when you should be have LAN system or networking system, then you can be share with your clients. Okay, they can access or they can use that one. Okay, then you can also here protect the share workbook. Same, you have to be keep and protect the worksheet or workbook. You have to be protect and allow users to edit range. So it is happening when you have networking concept, you have network system, you can share with your employees or colleagues. So you have to be give them to access for editing, that you have to be set your password or permission you have to be set on.